Thank you for taking the time to learn how to prepare your online business. This video is a quick guide that will explain what you should do to get your app set and ready to receive appointments. In the description, we will link some in-depth tutorials for each section. The home page of the app lists your calendar. At the top, you can change your view by selecting today or upcoming. You can contact the support by opening the chat, or you can see your list of notifications. At the bottom, you have a few important quick links to navigate through the app. By tapping Menu, you can access all the other sections. So, let's get started. Your profile. Please take a moment to review your business address. Clients can search by location, so simply by adding the city here, you may be discovered and increase your business. In the bio section, you can write a few details about yourself, or you can type in some instructions for your clients. In your portfolio, you can add pictures with your work, your shop, or whatever you think is relevant to show to your clients. Also, here you can find your profile link. It can be posted or shared on any social website you use. And speaking of social media accounts, by accessing marketing, social links, if you have an online presence, we recommend you to add it here. The avatar is a unique visual signature that can represent you and distinguish you from others. It can be an image of yourself, your workplace, a logo, or something you are proud of. Everything important from your profile will be listed in our online portal. This is the bridge from you to potential clients that simply surf the web. So, not only clients who installed this app can book you. Next, let's see where you can customize your work settings. In general, there are a few predefined settings that will serve you just fine. However, please take a minute to review this section. The service hours. By default, the app comes with the hours set from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Take a few minutes and adjust your working days and working times. In the notifications section, you can turn on or off the SMS and the push notifications, and also, you can customize the text messages. At this point, you should be done with the settings. Let's add your services. Adding a service is easy. Just write the name, the description, the duration, the price, add a picture, and when it is available. Descriptions and pictures are essential. It makes the difference when someone books. Viewing what they receive, clients will be more likely to book. Now, you are all set to receive appointments from your clients. You can add clients in two ways: click the plus icon and enter a few details, or tap the invite menu and invite them to join you. That was all you needed to do to have your business online. In the payment information section, you can activate a payment method. We recommend Stripe, and simply follow the step-by-step process to connect it to your account. Having a payment method activated will allow you to use the deposits and cancellation fees functionality. That will protect your appointments, will reduce the number of no-shows, and will make you a trusted business. For any questions you may have, please email or contact us using the chat.